Lily. Are you ready?
That's ready.
Okay, what's your name?
Lily.
Lily? How old are you?
Got 2.
2? Oh, careful. Okay, are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Okay. Who made the animals?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Again.
Okay, do it again.
Okay, stand up.
Okay, are you ready? Because we stand on the couch all the time, don't we? No.
No.
Oh no. Okay, ready?
Yes, ready.
Okay, here's my question. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay,
ready.
why don't you sit down?
No.
Okay, look at me. Who made the animals?
Jesus.
Who made the birds?
Jesus.
Who made the flowers?
Jesus.
Who made Lily?
Jesus.
Who lives in your heart?
Jesus.
Oh, that's so nice. Go. What's your name?
Lily.
How old are you?
Good.
How old are you?
2.
2. Okay, are you ready for your question?
Yes.
Okay. Who made the birds?
Jesus.
Okay, and who made the trees?
Jesus.
Who made autumn?
Jesus.
Who made Dada? Who
Jesus.
made the dogs?
Jesus.
Who made the bugs?
Jesus.
Oh, look at me. Where does Jesus live?
In my heart.
Oh.